a little bit slower, and it goes into each grout line and picks the silicone up. That's cool. I like that a lot. Where it's smooth, oh, simple pimple. Make the corner nice. Nice. A little bit of spray. Right, come back to this. I hear a fly, little shit, buzzing around me. I can't stand flies. Where's the fly spray? I'm just trying to clean the silicone out of the grout line a little. Around the outside, it tidies it up nicely, makes it look beautiful. That's why I always have it sitting out, the aluminium, on my niches, like an hour and a mil and a half. Just finishes it off nicely. Then again, I've done the inside and then I do the outside. If I was doing the outside first, I would have got too much spray in there and it would have been no good for the silicone. So what do you do as you're listening to me? You poke that subscribe button. I've changed to every 2 days, so you'll be notified, and I'll be able to teach you something every 2 days. I always had to see something more than once. But once I got it, it's there forever. I never picked up something the very first time. I hope you're leaning in. Silicone can make or break a job. I always love a shiny tile. People say, what about the slip factor? But nah. Alright, I might be in trouble there. I notice a bit of dampness. I might be alright though, hopefully. Start at the top, work my way down. The nozzles are not spraying that well. Anyway, all good. The temperature is about 27 today. The humidity isn't as high as what it was a month ago. It's a lot more pleasant now. On the Gold Coast, Queensland, Australia. It's a beautiful place to live, I must say. There are some beautiful parts of the world, and the Gold Coast is one of them. got to come and do their ensuite next door. They had it done a year ago by another tiler, and it's the worst ever. The workmanship is terrible. So they're going to tear it out. They want me to tile it. It's a bit of a bummer because it was tiled only 12 months ago. But a bad job. Which is a shame. But there are some bad tradies out there, unfortunately. My God, that's beautiful.